Hello friends, welcome to my channel Style Adda with Dargan. Today I am going to show you how to apply a winged eyeliner. So let's get started. For this we need a sellotape, Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner, in color gel eyeliner and an angular brush. So now let's get started. First of all, I'm going to apply these sellotapes. To get the perfect shape of an eyeliner. Now I'm going to use this colossal eyeliner. Now I'm going to use this in color gel eyeliner. Now with the help of the angular brush, I'm going to merge both the eyeliners. So it's done now. If you like my video, do share it and like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos.